Taking a ruler that we're going to use in class. Okay, the first thing you got to do is get some sandpaper and just knock the corners off because they're a little sharp. If you don't have sandpaper, just use a stone outside. Okay, it will work just fine. Okay, the next thing we're going to use is Elmer's glue. And you're going to take a bead of glue and you're going to put a bead of glue right down the middle or near the end of this piece of wood. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your time. That's going to set up a little bit. You're going to take your time and you're going to cut this ruler out and be very careful not to cut off the 32nd inch marks because this is a 32nd inch ruler. Okay, and I'm being very careful when I'm cutting this out. Okay, after you cut this out, I need you to see where it says 32nd inch ruler. I want you to cut right in the middle of this. Right down the middle of this piece, this ruler. Because there's a English ruler on it, which is the 32nd inch ruler. And there's also the metric ruler. We are going to focus on the English ruler. Okay, once that's cut out, then you're going to take your finger and you're going to spread this glue out. Now, the reason why I let it set like that is because it will be a little more tacky. So we're going to spread that glue out nice and neat and keep it flat and make sure it's completely covered where you're going to be placing the ruler. And then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to line it up to this end because we're going to focus on from the 1, the 2, and so forth. And the ruler is a little bit longer, and that's okay. Because when we draw our plans, it's nice to have a little bit more length. And then you're going to gently press down, not trying to make it dirty from the glue. You're going to press down until it's secured on that wood. Okay? And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side for the metric ruler. Okay, once that one's glued on, okay, then I need you to put your name with a pen so we know whose it is. I'm going to write Mr. Salvia. And then if you know your locker number, put that next to your name also. Okay, and it's all set. Okay, now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do the metric side. Okay, and you're just going to keep it. And this is the final ruler. We've got the English side on here and the metric side on this side. Okay, and you're just going to continually have to press down until it's dry so it doesn't curl. Okay, notice that this end is where we start measuring the 1, the 2, and the 3, and so forth. And then from this end, we got, each centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2, 3, and so forth. Okay, so good luck and take your time and enjoy this ruler.